In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make an image fit perfectly on your Wix website. If you've ever struggled with images not displaying the way you want them to, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through it all in just a few simple steps. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Wix. Open up a browser of your choice and navigate to the Wix website. Once there, log into your account if you're not already. This will take you directly to your dashboard, where all your exciting projects are just a click away. Now, from the dashboard, the next thing you need to do is select the particular site you're working on. This is crucial, as it ensures we're making changes to the right project. Take a moment to verify that you've picked the correct site before moving forward. After you've clicked on your desired site, you'll see your website editor in front of you. To adjust an image, click directly on the image you want to modify. This action ensures that you're targeting the correct visual element on your page. It's a small step, but important, as mixing up images can lead to unexpected results. If the image you're working with happens to be inside a box, which is often the case for design purposes, you need to click on the layout settings. This will allow you to configure how your image fits within that specific space. It's all about precision here, helping your image look just right without awkward cropping or misalignment. Once you're inside the layout settings, look for the option that says Fit to Bounding Box. This powerful feature allows your image to adapt to the dimensions of its container, without distorting the original proportions. Selecting this option means your image will neatly fit within the box, maintaining its aspect ratio while fully utilizing the space. Finally, with your image perfectly adjusted, don't forget to save your work. Click on Save, or if you're ready to share your newfound masterpiece with the world, go ahead and hit Publish. These buttons are your safety net, ensuring all the tweaks and improvements you've made aren't lost. And there you have it. From start to finish. That's how you make an image fit perfectly on Wix in just a few easy steps. By following this straightforward process, you can ensure your website's visuals enhance your content rather than detract from it. Thanks for watching. And until next time, good luck with your website editing.